I thought I record a little video over here. I'm going back to the office from Lemont, Illinois, from the farm. We made some very interesting video. I got some evidence from one more guy, not only Wally, regarding the animals. Oh, look at the geese flying out south. Kinder care. Little house over here. We got the green light. Lemont Bank. Lemont is a small town, but we got the world championship going on over here in golf course. We got a very large golf course in here. I think one of the biggest ones. I'm not going to go by then. A lot of woods. The logs budget in. That's your typical view. Oh, there's a houses over here. Lemont. I believe this is one of the golf courses over here. Yeah, it's a small one. Small farmhouses. Another farmhouse over here. A little house over there. Townhomes. Yeah, we're gonna go throughout the woods over here. Let's see if I can get a couple nice view for you. Oh, we got some Route 83. Oh, there's some nice view over here, up in the hill. we're going to pass Calumet River over here. We're going to go over, not pass, on the bridge over here. Okay. Couple barges over there. Smoke port. Oil tanks. Archer Avenue. Oh, we should have taken Archer over here. I think I'm going to have to turn around over here and go on Archer. Gonna have to turn around in here someplace.